Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba ka Jylla Conrad kongkol sangma ulaong. Hagabay debat ka Jingtip priang jong ka weni ki national channel. Kabapaw hapo ka ri ya ka tip kum ka Times Now. Halor ka Jingjia hapo ka Than Mahadev Kola. Ulaong ba kum ginong patay kubor lakmi lenti bakin kamlong ki ba adakar bat husiar da ka lum thup shwa ya ki Jingtip ki ba shisha. Bala ki news channel ki priang ya ki kubor ki ba bakla bat pentho bria ya ka Jylla. Ka sarkar kan shim ya ka senjam ban penshitom lingba ki kindon ain. Halor ka jingtho jong ka LRO hapo ka rensan Twitter nakaliang Conrad sang mau loong bakum magalong menta hapo ka Jylla hi kamdon ka no ka Jingsngewïapher Niam. Ulaong ru bagi jingjia ki bala jia hapo ka Jylla kimdon jinge dai ai ru bat ka jingjia ka bala jia ha ka Jylla Manipur bat ngi hap banyale ban kiar ne ki bakum ki jat Jingsngw. But what ka jinglong jingman hapo ka Jylla Manipur ka long ka basuk ban shwanra ya ka Jingsngewïapher Niam hapo ka Jylla henry kumbalayo ipat ka jingye kan at kadai hapadeng ki arjat benreo ka barakta ya ubabun balang ubreo hapo ka Jylla bat ka thong hi ka long ban wanra ya ka shongsuk shongsang bat ka badon kampan snotho ka long ba ka jingjia hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya kamdon jingye dai ai bat ka jingjia ha Manipur.
Against the news channels.
Yes.
We have not gone into that level, but I mean, we do expect the news agencies also to be responsible, to not give it a communal color. But yes, if it goes beyond a certain point, then we will take action against against agencies that do unnecessarily create this kind of a picture. Because as I said, the agencies should do their homework first, find out the facts, and only then come out with any kind of thing. But I will reiterate, there is no communal or no religious angle to this incident.
What dealing with the Manipur incident?
As I said, you see what happens is, it is a normal situation and a normal psychological tendency for us that if we see the some kind of an incident or some kind of a situation happening, we try to connect one dot to the other dot and then create a story around it. So it is a normal tendency. So I request that we should refrain from it. It has nothing to do with the situation in Manipur. Even the Manipur situation, we need to understand, is very complex. It's easy to bring out communal color to it and not communal but religious color to it. But you have to understand that this is a situation where two communities are involved. And of course, in the process, we have seen many people being affected, which is very unfortunate. But we should all try our best to find a way to find peace in Manipur, and I think that is what is important. And we should avoid connecting what is happening in Manipur with this incident. It is absolutely not connected at all.